She said, "My painting is gone!"
Emma! Jack, you are home. How was school today?
Mom, something very strange happened at school today.
Really? What happened?
We had a school art show this afternoon. It was fun at first, but then there was a big problem.
One of the paintings disappeared. Disappeared?
Yes, Mom. A big painting was missing.
Oh, Hordslice with Affiedsfaus. Oh, wow.
Yes. It was Lucy's painting. The principal loved it very much. In the morning, all the students put their paintings in the school hall. There were paintings everywhere. My painting was a rainbow. My painting was a big blue boat. Lucy smiled because she was proud.
But then she looked at the wall and screamed.
She said, "My painting is gone!"
Mrs. Green came quickly. Stay calm. We will find it.
Everyone looked at the empty wall. Mr. White looked behind the chairs.
But the painting was nowhere.
She worked on it for 1 week.
Did anyone move the painting? It was blue paper.
Lucy's painting had blue paper birds. Then we looked for more paper pieces. There were little blue pieces on the floor. They led across the school hall. Then to the music room. Everyone followed the paper pieces. Lucy walked with us. When we reached the music room, the door was open.
No, but there were more blue paper pieces.
They went down the hallway. It felt like solving a puzzle. Then the paper pieces stopped near the library. We looked inside the library. We heard a noise behind a shelf.
Then she found Tommy. Lucy's painting was next to him. Tommy looked scared.
I am sorry. Tommy said he wanted to win the art prize.
He thought Lucy's painting was better than his.
So he hid Lucy's painting.
Tommy started crying.
Tommy, hiding the painting was not kind.
Tommy said sorry to Lucy. But then she said, "I forgive you." Then she told Tommy to help put the painting back.
Tommy carried the painting carefully.
Lucy walked beside him.
Everyone returned to the hall.
Lucy's painting was back on the wall.
She smiled again.
Then the principal arrived.
Mrs. Green told him what happened.
Tommy had to say sorry to the class. Tommy said, "I am sorry for hiding the painting." He said he was jealous.
Let's enjoy the art show together.
The principal chose Lucy's painting. Everyone clapped for her.
Tommy smiled for the first time.
He said, "Thank you."
The principal gave a speech. He said, "Art is not only about winning, it is about sharing."
He thanked Lucy for forgiving Tommy.
He thanked Tommy for telling the truth.
I learned that jealousy can hurt people.
I learned that saying sorry is important.
I also learned that forgiveness is powerful.
Lucy was kind, even when she was sad.
The day started badly, but ended well.
And that's so.
That sounds wonderful.
Tommy even said Lucy's painting was beautiful. And Lucy said his painting was good too.
That was a happy ending.
Helping solve problems is important.
Mrs. Green said we were very observant.
She called us little detectives.
Maybe you will solve another mystery tomorrow.
I hope so.
Dinner is ready now.
Great! I'm hungry. Mom, I think today was the most important day at school.
Because we learned how to be kind, even when things go wrong.
Tomorrow, I want to paint something even better.
I can't wait to see it.